race. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice.
Welcome everybody.
Welcome, it's great to see you again.
On this journey, we have landed in the great state of Florida, and we are now standing on the beautiful, world-famous Daytona Beach.
The home of the great American race.
So let's go explore.
Come on.
Okay, this is the original speedway here on Daytona Beach. It originally started out as a race on the beach, and then they later on moved the track farther inland, which we see later on. It is a little bit high tide today, so most of the track isn't here, but still, an American legend was born right here.
Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice.
Welcome to the Daytona 500.
You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy.
Get you one, get you one.
My heroes had the heart to lose the lives I wanna live. And all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And there's no coincidence I've come you think you're in control. Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. If you did like what you saw, please hit that like button. We'd also greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe and join our family. Don't forget to ring that bell for notification of future videos. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.